Hey guys, it's Chris with One Water Yacht Group, and I am on the swim platform of the spectacular Sunseeker 90 Ocean. There's so many great features of this boat. For example, it has an interior volume more like a 100-foot yacht than a 90-foot yacht. Secondly, it has this unique extend seating system. And this system allows you to have super comfortable seating on the swim platform as part of your beach club environment. It also lifts up to literally extend the cockpit and the cockpit seating area dramatically. Or when you're underway or not using it, completely folds away and it's invisible. Of course, the swim platform, should I say beach club, we of course have a grill. We have lots of shade that comes out, both parasols and extended sunshades, shower heads, everything we need to enjoy a perfect beach club experience. And of course, as you can imagine, when you're done your day on the water, the interior of this yacht will coddle you with luxury in a way that really few yachts can. If you'd like to learn more about the Sunseeker 90 Ocean or any of the great Sunseeker models, my name's Christopher. One Water Yacht Group Miami, 561-285-1212. We look forward to helping you start your yachting journey on a new Sunseeker. Thank you.